Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take off this caliper, and I might want to go ahead and take off the rotors, because I'm going to be replacing these rotors, because these are 5 on 5.5, and I ordered some new rotors that are 5 on 4.5, so I can put my other rims on this truck. But so we need to take the caliper off, we need to take the rotor off, and then take the shock out, and then take the 2 bolts off for the strut rod, and then I can get the main bolt for the lower control arm, pop that out, and then back there, I don't know if you can see it where the camera's at, but back here is the main bolt that bolts it to the truck. Now what we're going to have to do, since that's 5/8 and the one for the van lower control arms is 3/4, we're going to have to pull that out. Then I have to drill the truck so I can get the 3/4 inch bolt through there. But like I said, we'll have to go to the parts store, or the supply house, to get that bolt. And I'll tell you how long a bolt you need. It'll probably be a grade 8 bolt, but let's get this all taken apart real quick. Sorry guys, I forgot to hit record on the thing for the thing, but I got the caliper off, I got the cap off. So yeah, I went to pause the video and realized that it wasn't recording anyway. So I had to go find my stuff. So anyway, all we gotta do is take this cotter pin off, take this nut here off, take it out, and that whole thing should slide off. We can set that off to the side, and that'll give us a lot of room. Get underneath there and get that shock out, and get the lower bolts for that strut rod, and that the ball joint. Get to all that. That gives us a lot of room in there. So here we go. Okay, now then, we got this down to this basic stuff here. I'm gonna take the shock out next, and then we'll take the strut rod off down here. Once I get those two taken off, then I'm gonna start working on this castle nut back here. Get that off, and then use my fork to separate it, because I'm not worried about messing up that ball joint, even though it's leaking oil or grease. I can feel it back there leaking grease. And I want to go back there and loosen that 5/8 bolt back there. Just loosen it. Just break it loose. Because it's a pain once you get it all taken apart to get that bolt to loose, because you're working against yourself. So get everything broke loose, and then we'll separate it, drop that arm out, and we'll do some measuring and get this lower control arm on. I mean, it's not that bad. I gotta wait a little bit to go get the disc, so I'm gonna try and get at least this side ready to go, and then I'll go get the discs and the new bearings and all that good stuff. And then we'll do the other side. And should be dropped. I'll be back.